Humans are designed to live codependently with nature. We design ourselves to endure the beauty and the beast of it. TOSTEM, forged in Japan, the land of challenging nature. We have been collecting wisdom of diversity of nature and humans. The wisdom of bonding precision of craftsmanship into beauty. The wisdom of bonding harmony with the environment. Whether it rains or shines, whether it's about controlling the uncontrollable. We make sure that everyone enjoys the seamless relationship between nature and humans. We bring together home innovation and living inspiration. Smoothly connecting living space and the beauty of the surroundings with an evolutionary design that offers the most secure and lightweight functions to make your day effortlessly beautiful. TOSTEM inherited Japan's craftsmanship, simple but functional, bonding perfection and pleasure into everyday living. TOSTEM's pre-engineering process, we make precision to meet mechanization. Providing the highest accuracy with the highest quality, raising the new levels of housing solution at their best. From Japan to around the globe, TOSTEM opens you to witness the beauty of living harmoniously through the changes of time, through the challenges of nature. We are ready for the challenge of what's next. Framing the beauty of living. TOSTEM.